Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. We all know that communication is very, very important in our life. Let it be in school, let it be in college, or whether you are having your own job, service, business, whatever. Communication is part and parcel of our life. If you are a good communicator, you will be attracted by people. In the school, you will become the leader. Everyone may be in need of you, to speak to you, to ask to you and all. The same in the college as well. Because of your communication skills, you can master your business. So, if the communication skill is so important in our life, how we can develop the communication skill? Communication skill means what? Skill of conversing, skill of talking. But what happens? Many times, we feel scared to talk to others. If someone asks you to go and speak to that person, you will be afraid how to speak, how to converse with him. So this fear, how we can overcome this fear? It is very, very simple. Practice, 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 nothing else. It is only by practice we can overcome this fear. In the beginning, start speaking in front of a small group. Let it be your friends, relatives, whoever. As the days pass on, go on increasing. It is only the practice. You are knowing sometimes even in the classroom what happens. You are knowing the answer when the question is asked. You feel like standing up and answering, but before that somebody else stands up and answers. Then you feel, oh, I too was knowing the answer, but you were scared to answer it. So you lost the opportunity there. That is why we have to overcome this fear. How we can overcome, I told you? Practice, practice, practice. Nothing else. No medicine for that. It is only practice. Next is while speaking, the volume we speak. It should not be at the pitch of the volume, or it should not be just murmuring within your mouth. It should be crystal clear. The speech should be clear so that the person in front of you will be able to follow you. That is very, very important. And while talking slowly is a good thing, because others can understand you. If you want, take a breath, inhale yourselves, take a long breath and then speak. No need to speak like fast express. If you speak like that, nobody will be able to understand you, follow you. So, what you should do is speak slowly but firmly. Next, very, very important thing to be a good communicator is you should be honest. Whatever you are expressing, it should be honest. Express honestly. If any mistake is committed, say sorry. Or when you are sitting and listening to someone, in between, keep on telling, yes, okay, understood. If any doubt, you say, excuse me, will you please explain me this? You can ask it, nothing in that. So it shows that you are listening to him carefully. Next is body language. Yeah. And you are knowing, in this body language, eye contact is very, very important. Otherwise, if you look at somewhere else and then speak, the person with whom you are speaking, he won't understand you properly. So, eye contact is very, very important. When you are talking to anyone, have the eye contact. And your hands, gestures and all this also adds to that. And to develop communication skill, you should have good reading and writing skills. Suppose if you are attending the meeting and you have to communicate something, if you want, you can prepare the notes, you can write it, you can read it once, and then you can express it. For all this you are knowing, very, very important thing is your mindset. You should be ready to follow the good communication skill. For that you should have the curiosity, you should have the genuine interest. Genuine interest means real interest. Then the person with whom you are talking, you are knowing, he will be interested to communicate with you. And this communication, I told you, it is important throughout our life. It is whether you are in school, college, or when you are working, or in any field for that. Even if you start acting in the Hollywood or Bollywood, or a CA or a doctor or an engineer, whatever you are, communication skill is very, very important to be successful in life. Because it is through communication you will understand what the person who is right in front of you needs and what he understands from you, or what you are expressing, whether he is ready to follow it. So communication skill is very, very important thing in our success. So when we should start then this communication skill? You are doing naturally from your birth. Yes. Even when the baby is small, you are knowing the baby may not be able to speak, but the elders talk to him. Whether you have noticed it, the elders keep on talking to him. The baby just looks at you. It won't be able to talk at that time. So in the beginning, to be the good communicators, we should be the good listeners first. We should learn to listen well. When we are the good listeners, then we can communicate well. Otherwise, there are some people, even if you are talking, they will never listen to you. They will have their own thing. No, don't do like that. Be a good listener. First listen what the other person is talking to you. Then whether you agree with him or not, you can express it in your own way. If you agree with him, you can say, yes, I am totally with you and all. If you don't, then also you are having a way of telling, excuse me, but my ideas are a little bit different. I feel such and such a thing is good. You can express in that way. So communication, even if you don't agree with the person, there is a good way of communicating the same in a good way, so that even the other person also, he too will like your attitude. He will feel, yes, genuine person. He never makes a show of. They feel like that. So This communication skill is very, very important in our life for our success. That is why we should learn the good communication skill. Have a nice day.